Hi Liz, how are you? I am Braulio. Well Liz, if you think you can't decide why you want to do it, I will recommend that you take a sabbatic year to work. I don't know, because that can make you see things from another perspective and help you grow in work. It also serves that you gain a little more time to think things through. Um, I do not recommend what you make a hasty decision because that is almost always wrong. I tell you from personal experience, and it is not something nice. I think you, uh, I think, I think you should leave your comfort zone and explore more things because that way you will learn many other new things and you might release many other things that you might like.
Hello, I'm Peter. I definitely do not recommend that you take a sabbatical year since you can lose that you would have learned. Although on the other hand, you can gain experience in some work and you may take another perspectives of another works that you have not thought about. Know if you think of music from one to ones. I went to your dad and very few people take a good job instead of music you want to practice. On the right side, I didn't not study that from the same and something cleans set is the record that you have of currently advocate people, and if you lose trial not help you has impact on your professional career. Regrets of you when you were a good on the bad person. Leslie, if you like to travel and language and study the very building and language teacher, and that opens the door in your mini place.
Well, Liz, see you.
See you.